Practice set 1.1. First, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Equation 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Equation 2. The y component of the equation can be eliminated because first equation is having plus 3 coefficient, second equation is having minus 3 coefficient for the variable y. Therefore, adding the two equations, we get 7x is equal to 21. Y gets eliminated. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Substituting the value of x in equation 1, we have 5 multiplied by 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. Therefore, 3y is equal to 9 minus 15 is equal to minus 6. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. So, the solution is x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2. Solve. First example, 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, equation 1. A plus 5b is equal to 22, equation 2. We have 5b common in both the equations, so that can be eliminated. So we subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So all the signs of the second equation will change. Therefore we have 2a is equal to 4. Therefore, dividing both the sides by 2, we have a is equal to 2. Substituting the value of a in equation 2, we have 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Therefore, 5b is equal to 22 minus 2 is equal to 20. Therefore, b is equal to 20 divided by 5. Therefore, b is equal to 4. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 4 is the solution for this equation, these equations. Example 2. X plus 7y is equal to 10. Equation 1. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 3, we have 3x plus 21y is equal to 10 3 is 30. This is equation 3. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 3, 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. So subtracting will change all the signs throughout the equation. So we have 23y is equal to 23. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Substituting the value of y in equation 1, we have x plus 7, y is 1 is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10 minus 7, which is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1 is the solution to these simultaneous equations. Example 3. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. First equation. 2x plus y is equal to 13. Second equation. Subtracting equation 2 from 1, we have to change the sign throughout the equation. So all the plus quantities will become negative. So we have 2x minus 2x, which is 0. Minus 4y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Substituting the value of y is equal to 1 in equation 1 we have 2x minus 3 into y is 1 is equal to 9. Therefore 2x is equal to 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Therefore x is equal to 12 upon 2, which is 6. Therefore the solution is x is equal to 6, y is equal to 1. This is the solution to the simultaneous equations in example 4. 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, equation 1. m minus 6n is equal to minus 7, equation 2. Multiplying equation 2 by 5, we have 5m minus 30, 5 6 are 30, n is equal to minus 7 5 are 35. This is equation 3. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 1. Now we will eliminate equation 2. Subtracting equation 3 from 1, we have this minus, this plus, and this plus. So 5m minus 5m 0. 30n minus 3n will be 27n. 27n. 35 plus 19 gives you 54. So this is 54. Therefore dividing by 27 throughout, we have n is equal to 2. Substituting n is equal to 2 in equation 2, we have m minus 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 7. Therefore m is equal to minus 12 will become plus 12 on the other side, plus 12 minus 7. Therefore m is equal to 5. We have m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 2. So this is the solution to the simultaneous equations in example 4. Example 5. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Equation 1. X plus 5y is equal to 4. This is equation 2. Now multiplying equation 2 by 5, we have 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. Now subtracting equation 1 from 3. First let us write down the equation as it is. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. This is equation 1. Subtracting means we have to change the sign throughout. So this will become minus, minus, and this will become plus. Now 5x minus 5x is, it gets eliminated. So we have 27y is equal to 23. Sorry, 23y is equal to 23, because 25 minus 2 will be 23. 23y is equal to 23. Therefore y is equal to 1. Substituting the value of y in equation 2, we have x plus 5y is 1 is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 minus 5, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore the solution is x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. Example 6. 1 upon 3 x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. Equation 1. 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. This is equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 throughout, we have x plus 3y is equal to 10. This will be our equation 3. and multiplying equation 2 by 4, 2 by 4, we have 8x plus y is equal to 11. This is our equation 4. Multiplying equation 3 by 8, we have 8x plus 24y is equal to 80. This is our equation 5. Subtracting equation 5 from equation 4, we will get all the signs minus over here, and 8x will get eliminated. So we have 23 minus 23 y is equal to minus 69. Therefore y is equal to 3. Substituting the value of y in equation 3, we have x plus 3 into y is 3 is equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Therefore the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Example 7. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Equation 2. In these two equations, we find that the coefficients of x and y are interchanging in the second equation. So adding 99 and 101, we get the coefficient as 200. For x 200, for y also it is 200, and the constant will be 1000. So it becomes simpler. So let us add, and subtracting also gives us the difference. The difference between the two will be 2x and 2y, and this will be 2. So let us first of all subtract equation 2 from 1. So subtracting equation 2 from 1, we have all these signs as minus. So this will be minus 2x minus plus 2y is equal to minus 2. Or changing the signs throughout the equation, we have x minus y is equal to 1. This is our third equation. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we have 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. Therefore, dividing the equation by 200 throughout, we have x plus y is equal to 5. This is our equation number 4. Writing equation 3 just below it, we have x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 3. Adding equation 3 and 4, we have 2x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 3. Substituting the value of x in equation 4, we have 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 3. It is equal to 2. Therefore the solution to this equation is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Example 8. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Adding the two equations, we have 106x minus 106y is equal to 424. Dividing throughout by 106, we have x minus y is equal to 4. This is our the third equation. Subtracting equation 1 from 2, we have 57x minus 49y is equal to 252, and we subtract the equation number 1, 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. So all quantities will become, those which are positive will become negative, and those which are negative will become positive. So changing the sign throughout the equation, we have minus 49x plus 57y minus 172. Now the difference between 57 and 49 is 8x. 8x and this is plus 8y is equal to, this becomes 80. 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 7, 15 minus 7 is 8, and 0, nothing remains. So this is 8x plus 8y is equal to 80, which can be simplified by dividing it with 8. So x plus y will be 10. This is our third equation. Sorry, fourth equation. This will be the fourth equation. Fourth, x plus y is equal to 10 is the fourth equation. X minus y is equal to 4 is the third equation. Adding the two, we have 2x is equal to 14. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Substituting the value of x in equation 4. In equation 4, we have 7 plus y. 7 plus y is equal to 10. Therefore, y is equal to 10 minus 7. Y is equal to 3. So the solution is x is 7, y is 3.